I'm going to go and make one where I say, man, that way you we are now trying to remove all the old planks before laying the lots. And as you can see, we have some personality here. And this is the fellow who behind the dream of this work, Bob Jarrett. Mr. Bob Jarrett. Excuse me, sir. Can you please walk on the side? Yeah. This is Bob Jarrett, the fellow who actually behind the brain of this bridge. And we actually want to hear from him what really enthused him to initiate this project. So, Mr. Jarrett, can you please tell us what really made you or motivated you to say yes, the bridge over Nejorplue, I'll make sure to at least provide some logistics and other things for the bridge to be fixed. So today we want to know what really motivated you, my brother, young man like you, making your business and not even thinking to focus the business, but rather to focus on particular community, and that is isolated from the main road.
Mr. Thank you. As you are aware, I'm not a strange man when it comes to Jaytoken issue.
Wow.
I got a daughter from Jaytoken here.
Thank you.
1. 2, we're hauling sand from in here. And looking at the situation of the bridge, I will not be somebody who get a hand to do so. Then I look at it and just pass by it. So that why really encouraged me to help to take the initiative to face this bridge. But I'm not facing the bridge because I want to be certain questions about this and that. And I'm not facing the bridge for somebody to reform me with certain things. No. I just went on my own because myself I got interest in Jaytoken town. Why is true I'm boarding same from this area. So that's why I decided to take the time to do it.
Thank you, Mr. Bob Jarrett. Again, we've been listening to other politicians talking. Oh, that may have some political ambition. He want to run for this coming 2023. So we want to get it clear, my brother. If you see us, questioning you, it doesn't mean that we just want to give you hard time. But there are some other individuals that continue to come to us saying that, oh, that guy, he got some ambition to run for 2023. So we want to get that clear from you.
No, why is true I'm a Liberian, I got my constitutional right to choose whatever I want to be. But and not so. You understand? As a human being, there is time for everything. The job there is for the people. If you are somebody that the people elect and choose you,